Hey friends, how are you today? Why does my forehead look so shiny? Goodness. I did a lot of shopping today. So this morning I had my infusion. For those of you who don't know, I get Entyvio infusions because I have Crohn's disease. So did that. And then I figured, I'll just stop a few places and see if I can find some good stuff. And I found a lot of good stuff. I did not plan on doing a live today of all my goodies, but you know what? I've got a lot of good stuff to share. So went to Hobby Lobby, went to Marshall's. Of course, I went to Target. I don't have anything to share from Target because that was just groceries and prescriptions. And Party City. So I know it's kind of an odd time to be doing a live. So if you're watching this and you don't see that the red live, that means you're watching it in replay. So make sure you comment #replays. That helps keep my videos at the top. There's Olivia. What?
Why is it switched?
What do you mean? You know I'm doing a live, right?
Oh.
It's all good. Where are you going? Oh, are you leaving?
No.
Oh, okay.
I just need to print this.
What?
I just need to print this.
Oh, you know what? That's just every day, people coming in and out. But I'm trying to take advantage of a little bit of a sun that we have out right now. Like I said, I did not plan on doing a live today, and I know it's a weird time. So like I said, if you don't see the red live up there, that means you're watching it in replay. So every comment, every sprinkle, that just means SHARE. Every sprinkle helps keep my videos in the feed, and if you like what you're seeing, be sure to sprinkle the love. So let's get to what I found today. So I'm gonna move, hopefully I don't bump that. I'm gonna move this over here for a second. I'll share that in a minute. And then some of the stuff is just fun. Some of it obviously is gonna be for events, and lots of chalking projects and all that good stuff. So let me show you. And I've been waiting for these to go on sale because they don't have 40% off coupons at Hobby Lobby anymore, which is a bummer. So this week the glassware went on sale. I don't know why she put tissue paper inside because it doesn't help anything. So let's see. Where's my other bag? Oh, here it is. So I've been wanting to get some glassware for Halloween candies. So I waited for them to go on sale. I'm sure they're 40% off. That's usually what everything is. Did I go there? I don't remember which one goes on which. So I got 3 of these. Let's see. That one goes on that one. And this one. Down there. That one. So I know you can't see these, but so I have that one. And, well, that sounded weird. And then I have this little fat boy. Oh, I bet Ben's home. And then I have this guy. So, let me switch over. So I also stopped at Party City. And I signed up for their text so that I could get 15% off. So I got a big bag of green. Love green and purple for Halloween. And then, so those are gumballs. And then I got these fun little sixlets, the little chocolate candies. So these are gonna all go in my jars. And of course, I'm gonna chalk on these. I'm not gonna use ink. I'm gonna chalk on them so that after Halloween, I can wash it off and I can do Christmas on there. So if you're needing to get a lot of candy, make sure you sign up for those texts, and then you can get 15% off. That's what I did. So it saved me like, I don't know, let's see, maybe like $7 or something like that. But you know what? $7 is $7. So, and then I've also been waiting for Hobby Lobby to put all of their Christmas stuff on sale. They've had fall on sale, I think, almost every week, probably. But I'm wanting to get started on Christmas projects because I've got a big Christmas show. They just called with a cancellation, so I got in because I didn't apply earlier in the year like I should have. So that's going to be in Nashville the last weekend in September, and it's a Christmas show, Mistletoe Merchants. So I'm going to be getting a lot of Christmas stuff ready. I don't know if you hear that. Addie's watching like animal memes or whatever, animal videos. Anyway, this ribbon I had last year and I love it, and I used all of it. Say hi, Ben.
Hello.
And then I love this little gingerbread guy. I will probably have more of my handmade wooden trays that I have, that I usually put a gingerbread man on for like, you know, Santa treats or whatever. So that'll be a cute addition. And then I got the cute little stripes and the cute little trees. I love this color. I love that. And then I got some of these little, I don't even know what they're called. Oh, mini vine wreaths. I have an idea for that. Some cute little berries to put on those. Look how cute these little candy cane tea lights are. Not tea lights. Tea lights? Yeah, electronic tea lights. I just thought they were cute. I don't know what I need them for. And then these cute little spoons for hot chocolate bar. I thought would be cute. That's, I think, an old drink. I think. Some cute little acorns. And like I said, all of these were, 40% off. Their fall and their Christmas is 40% off. And this is a project I've been wanting to do for weeks, but I've been waiting for it to go on sale. So it was $12.99, and you know I'm going to stain this and chalk this. But it's a cute little wooden nativity. And then I got some of these wood cutouts. So I got a stocking and a couple big pumpkins. Yeah. Did you have a good day? Decent day? School? So that's that. I have a little bit more in here. I got yogurt. So that's that. So put this away. And then, whoop! Okay. So that's that bag. And then, so I grabbed some of these for my wreaths. And check these out. These are so cute. Look at this. So they're little spatulas, pumpkin everything, and then the other side is pumpkins. So they were $5.99 and then 40% off. So I actually have an idea. I have a couple ideas, and they all revolve around this transfer. I pulled this out. I love this because it reminds me of Ray Dunn. I love it. So I have a cute idea with that. A couple cute ideas. Here's another one. I had these cute little towels. So one's like a charcoal gray, and the other one is orange. And I'm gonna ink on those for some Halloween towels. And these were $6.99 each, and then 40% off. And I think was that. Oh no. The big thing that I got. So, you know, Hobby Lobby always puts their seasonal stuff on clearance. And last time I went, it was, I think the spring stuff was at maybe half off. I'm not sure. Which to me is, you know, if I'm buying something that I want to repurpose or change up, I want a mega deal. So this frame, can you even see how big this, look how big this is. And it's cute, but I'm not gonna hang it up like this. I just love the rustic wood at the top. So does it even say what size it is? Let's see. It is 31 by 11, I think it is. So I'm gonna paint this and repurpose it. I felt kind of bad because I was walking out and a lady saw this, me carrying this out. She's like, oh, that's such a cute sign. And I thought, yeah, I'm not gonna keep it that way, but you know, thanks. So as soon as I saw this, I immediately thought of, where did I put them? Oh, here they are. My little monster friends. So these guys are gonna fit perfect on this frame. So I cannot wait. I'm gonna paint this and I'm actually gonna put magnets on it because then I'm gonna do Christmas ones with our little simple shapes. So, and just an FYI, you know, I have these bundles in my VIP group if you want any of these. We've got the little mummy dude. Oops. Ah! Oh, his little mummy clothes are falling off. There we go. So we've got the mummy. We've got our little spider. It's hard to see the legs in this. Our little pumpkin. And our little Frankenstein's monster. Isn't he cute? Oh, speaking of Party City, I just got a text. So I actually grabbed 2 of these because there was 2 left. It was regularly $50. I got it for 12 bucks. So you cannot beat that for a sign this big. So super excited about that. And then let's see, that was it for Hobby Lobby. And then I showed you what I got from Party City. And then I went to Marshall's. And okay, this has nothing to do with chalking, but like, I had to have those. Oh my gosh. Like, I'm gonna wash these today and put these on. Ben, are you in here? Look at it. It's peanut sheets. I had to have these. I was actually looking for twin ones for Addie, and they didn't have any twin, but I came across king size. So, and they were only 25 bucks for a set of sheets. For a king set of sheets, that's crazy. So then I also got these towels. Now this is Rae Dunn, which I love. The one side says give thanks. And the other side says happy fall. It is so cute. So I got those. And then this one, I got these because, okay, you've got a cute little pumpkin on the one side, but the rest of them don't have anything on them. So you've got like the white and the plaid squares, check. And then there's stripes. And then there's the other stripes. So I'm gonna ink on these again. And I'm gonna use, y'all, I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this transfer. A lot. So, got that, and we got one more bag. So, I just thought this was fun. Again, pumpkin everything. And it came with a little cookie cutter. I think it was like $4. Isn't that cute? I cannot have enough spatulas in my life. So then I got this cute little basket filler. I just love how rustic it looks. Isn't that fun? And then I found this cute little basket box crate. You know I'm gonna like chalk this up. So you'll see this at one of my events. But I love a plain crate that I can chalk. And lastly, I got this it's like a black wooden bowl. And guess what I'm gonna do with this? I'm gonna chalk it. You know it. Everything I see, I always say, I can chalk that. So, is that it? Is that everything? I think it is. So, I'm gonna get busy planning out my projects. I might be back today with another live. I'm not sure because I want to take advantage of the sun being out because we've been getting a lot of rain. I need to film a few videos. So we will play it by ear, but let me know what you think of all my fun goodies, and let me know what kind of projects you want to see. So I will be back next time with the chalking project. So I'll see you later.